Hey guys, Anthony Bandiero here, attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing the roadside chat from the Chiefs of Police conference in Georgia. This question is an officer from Texas. He says, hey look, is a video of a crime, right, considered to be in your presence? And the answer is no, right? Zach Miller, one of our fellow instructors, he actually came up with a clever analogy here. He said, watching 9/11 occur on a TV screen did not mean that you're actually at 9/11, right? That's not committed in your presence. In order to be committed in your presence, you have to have something, one of your God-given senses picks up the actual crime that's occurring, right? You can hear it, you can smell it, you can see it. We don't have a plain taste case yet, but maybe you're making some case law there. But the point is you have to use your God-given senses. So if you're watching a recording of a crime that did not occur in your presence, so if you're in a state that you can only make an arrest for a misdemeanor committed in your presence, with some exceptions like family violence and so forth, then you're going to have to either have a felony, a gross misdemeanor in some states, or you're going to have to cite them, release them, whatever you're going to do in that case. Now, what about a live video, right? A live stream? Well, the answer is that I think this is defensible, right? So I want you to imagine a police officer is in a loss prevention office, and he's watching the videos, and he happens to be in the Walmart, and he sees a guy on live closed circuit television, putting an item in his pocket. Did that shoplifting occur in the officer's presence? I believe that courts are going to be very, very tempted to say yes, because otherwise you can't hide, right? We know that we can use binoculars, that's committed in your presence, surreptitious, like in the FBI surveillance van, using cameras and so forth. I don't think courts would believe that those things are not occurring in your presence because you're using your God-given senses, you're on scene. But I have seen a case out of Washington State where it was a crime control camera. And so the cop was at the police station watching a crime occurred, at a convenience store. And the court there said that was not committed in the officer's presence. So if it's a misdemeanor, it becomes a problem. Not saying we can't detain the people, not saying in most states we can cite the person, but I would not consider that committed in your presence. I hope this helps. I think the conversation is good. If you have any questions about this or anything else we do here at Blue to Gold, please go to bluetogold.com. If you like what we're doing, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, my friends, you stay safe.